Hey, how you doing? This is Alan from Purple Passion Soaps. We're going to do a short video today of the soap. We're taking the soap out of the mold that I made yesterday. The video I posted yesterday was making the soap and putting into molds. Today we're taking them out. I'm going to show you the molds here. This is one of the molds of the soap I made. This is the other one. We made 4 soaps yesterday, four different batches. Some lemongrass we got in there. We got lavender right here. And coconut. And I'm going to do the coconut second because I was telling you how we didn't add any color to that. But anyway, we're going to take this out. So I'm going to set you aside here and you can watch me take this out of the mold. I use these Essential Depot molds. They're a heavy-duty silicone, which makes it very easy to use. All you gotta do is pull the mold back a little bit. Just get rid of these chunks that are on the side. We made a little mess here yesterday making, anyway, stretch that mold back a little bit. Give it to release some. Flip the mold upside down, give it a little push. Look at that. Downtown, my man, downtown. So there's our loaf. Okay. So now what we'll do, I'm just going to trim the corners to make it look neat and clean. I put a little slice on the edges just to clean her up. So what you want to do now is basically cut it up into bars and set it aside so it can finish drying it and curing. But curing and drying. This is 3 pounds, so we're going to get about 12 bars out of this puppy. Use a knife that's straight and sharp. A thin knife is best. Give it a little bit of wiggle as you go down to the bottom. That'll give you a clean cut at the bottom. There's one side. That's the other. Let's cut that in half and show you what we got. See that little swirling going on through there? And that's how we pour it in there to give it, to let it swirl around and give you a kind of a unique flair there. You know, you can see the clear white colors and just a little bit of swirl. Anyway, it gives your soap that little personal touch. People go, oh, that's cool looking soap. And I forget which one this was. This is the Christmas soap. That stuff smells awesome. So cut your bars. There. Knife goes down there nice and easy on the first day. So you want to take it out and cut it on the first day. And every bar is different. See the pattern of color in there? They're all different when you do that pouring technique that I did here yesterday. I don't know if you saw that, but or if you paid attention. But the pouring technique will give you that different coloring in there. One side looks that way, the other side looks that way. There's 6 bars. Let's cut this one in half. You can get soap cutters to do this, but you know, here we got a little light coloring in that. A little different on each side. Let's set this over here and get a couple more cuts. go. Got a little pocket of air in that one. See that? See the way that color swirled around differently in that? And on that side, got a little bubble in that one, but looks like a face, 2 eyes and a happy smile. The other side. So it's different. It's you. It's what you made. So we're going to stick these, after I tear everything up over here, stick all these in this box here. This is my curing box for each scent I have. And I do this in such a pattern so it can get air through it and help cure it quicker. There we go. I'll show that to you. There you go. I stack them that way air can circulate through there and get those to dry and cure quicker. Okay. Now we're going to take the coconut out. And if you remember, if y'all remember yesterday, I don't know if you remember yesterday when we first were talking about the coconut. Where'd it go? Right here it is. Okay. We didn't add any color at all to the coconut. Or it's called On the Beach. It's a coconut and it's got vanilla in it. The coconut freezer got the vanilla, so you don't want to add color to that because it's going to change on you big time. We poured it clear yesterday. Neutral color. So we're going to set you down here while we get this out here and show you what happens. Okay. Invert our box. Put this over here, get it out of the way so it doesn't fall. Flipper. And this got a little messy yesterday when I tripped with it, so it left a little bit of mess here on the side of the. But that's the nice thing about our silicone molds. This stuff comes right off. I love these molds. You can never get me to give up my silicone. Get this out of here. That's a little bit of splash we had yesterday. Okay. Stretch her away from the soap. Flip her upside down. Give it a little push. Out she comes, nice and clean. And this is what it looks like. This is a coconut. It's called Coconut Paradise. And since this has some vanilla in it, apparently, it tends to turn your soap dark brown. Okay, this was white when we poured it. Let's cut and show you what's happening here. As it cures from the outside in, your outside tends to get dark first. Down through there, nice and slow. Okay, take a look at that. See if you can see that. See how it's turning brown on the edges? And as it cures, it'll look like that. That turned into that because of the vanilla bean that's in the rest of the fragrance oil. Kind of cool, huh? Kind of looks like you cracked the coconut. So we're going to show you what that does all the way through. We're going to get them all cut here so we can get them drying and curing. See there? Turning brown on the edges, curing and drying out. It's normal with if you're using vanilla, anything with vanilla bean in it, that's what will happen. Okay. So that's our soap. 24 hours later. Set the side dry. And it's a done deal. Again, I'm Alan from Purple Passion Soaps. You can catch me on Facebook at Facebook.com/Purple Passion Soaps. And you can order soaps from me directly. I ship them across the U.S. I'll even ship nationwide if you want. If you want to take a soap class, here again, get a hold of me, Purple Passion Soaps. Phone number is 904-451-0688. See you soon. Have fun.